because there is always a risk of goods getting drowned. म्हणजे तुझं रॉ मटेरियल समुद्रामध्ये बुडण्याचा चान्स आहे. One microprocessor is going to cost you 15,000, right? मग ते तुम्ही कसे आणले पाहिजेत? You should bring it by air, right? And you should bring it by protecting it in a thermocol or bubble paper with 5 to 6 different packaging layers. आणि त्या बॉक्सवर तुम्ही वरती लिहिलं पाहिजे फ्रॅजाईल. तुम्ही पाहिलेत का? मोस्ट ऑफ द डेलिकेट आयटम्स आर रिटन ऑन द corrugated box fragile. What is the meaning of fragile? Shruti, what is the meaning of fragile? किंवा ceramics, bathroom fittings, बरोबर ना? So they are breakable items. Fragile means breakable. Suppose you are importing wine glasses from Switzerland. Huh? Do you all know, for your kind information, that Switzerland is the best country manufacturing wines and glasses? माहिती आहे तुम्हाला हे? Anand? Now Anand is going to say. Now Anand is going to say, sir, why are you telling me about wine and glasses? I would like to take an experience, right? There's no point in discussing theory. You will say, I want practical experience. Jokes apart, friends, but there are some countries in the world who are manufacturing very, very high quality, high precision art. Gaurav, I hope you are listening. Art, art. And they are selling in millions. Have you heard about this Bone China, La Opala? Or have you heard about this, Shruti, have you heard about the well-known थायलंडची कुठली कंपनी आहे ती ज्याचे आपण डिशेस वापरतो? प्लीज गिव मी अ हिंट यार. थायलंडची, which is that well-known Thailand company that we are using the ceramic dishes for food and glasses for wine? Well-known Thailand company, yaar. I am not able to recall, yaar. Just to see at the bottom of the cup or saucer. Omega ना, श्रुती? Omega नाही. O पासनं नाव आहे काहीतरी. Some name from O. Omega, Orion, I don't know, yeah. So Gaurav's question was valid. Okay, what was Gaurav's question?
मॅक्झिमम ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन बाय शिप होतं असं ऐकले आहे सर.
हो. मॅक्झिमम ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन बाय शिप आपण केव्हा करू शकतो? जेव्हा ते आयटम जे आहेत ते लो कॉस्ट आहेत आणि डेलिकेट नाही आहेत. अत्यंत फाईन आणि डेलिकेट आयटम असतील तर ते बाय एअरच ट्रान्सपोर्ट करायला लागतात. अगेन गौरव, वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड की बाय एअर ट्रान्सपोर्ट करताना वी हॅव टू पे मोर दॅन 30 to 35% प्रीमियम कॉस्ट. गौरव, एक ॲव्हरेज 1 kg पार्सल पुण्यातून न्यूयॉर्कला पाठवायचं असेल ना तर मिनिमम 500 रुपये kg कॉस्ट आहे. आर यू अवेअर अबाउट दॅट?
हो सर.
हा, 500 रुपये kg आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. 500 रुपये kg पर किलो. सो इमॅजिन की तुम्हाला एक 12 ग्लासेस किंवा 12 डिशेसचा सेट पाठवायचा आहे, गिफ्ट टू सम फ्रेंड और रिलेटिव इन USA, in New York. The cost of the gift is not as much as the cost that you are going to spend for air courier or air freight. You will agree with me.
Right, sir.
म्हणजे आपण असं धरून चालू गौरव की एक 1000 रुपयाची गिफ्ट आहे आपली. दॅट्स अ स्टँडर्ड नॉर्म. एक 1000 रुपयाची तरी आपण गिफ्ट देतो आजकाल. Good quality. Suppose your friend is getting married or sister is getting married in USA and you say I'm sending you a gift. एक 6 ग्लासेस आणि 6 डिशेसचा तुम्ही छान त्यांना त्यांच्या न्यू संसाराकरता गिफ्ट पाठवला, which is going to cost you, let's say, 1000 rupees, glass or ceramic. But you know what is the cost of sending the courier? 500 rupees a kg minimum. So if your package, if your courier with package is measuring 3 kgs, you got to spend 1500 rupees only for sending the courier, and your gift is of 1000 rupees. मग तुम्ही ते शिपनी का नाही पाठवत सांगा बरं मला. Why can't you send it by shipping corporation? There are two things, Gaurav. One, shipping corporation will never reach less than 7 days. Second, there is always a risk in the shipping of damage. Right or wrong?
जर आपल्याकडे जे मटेरियल यायचं ना चायना, तैवान किंवा इंडोनेशिया मधून इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट, तर मॅक्झिमम JNPT थ्रूच येतं. इम्पोर्टेड मशीन जरी असल्या तरी.
हो. काय माहिती का, काय माहिती का, त्याला इन्शुरन्स असतो. त्याला इन्शुरन्स असतो.
ज्यावेळेस इमर्जन्सी बेसिस मध्ये आपल्याला 2 किंवा 3 दिवसाच्या आतमध्ये जर एक्सपोर्ट करायचं असेल किंवा इम्पोर्ट करायचं असेल तर तेव्हाच बाय फ्लाईट जातात.
हो हो, बरोबर आहे. बरोबर.
Sir, it means it's all depend on goods cost and urgency.
Yes, it all will completely depend on goods cost and the type of goods.
And urgency also, sir. It depends.
Yes, urgency. That's what Gaurav was talking about. Gaurav said the same thing 2 minutes back. So when something is very urgent, it required in 2 to 3 days, they will go for air cargo. Anand, imagine that you are an engineer working in a big multinational corporation and your server is down, your system is down, and you need to replace some high level electronics. Will you wait for the shipping corporation for 7 days to arrive the goods?
No.
Or will you pay some premium extra and say, nahi, bejo yaar, tomorrow morning you send me by flight? I did that in Tata Telecom. I did that myself. I'm sitting in front of you. When my system was to be down, I used to call up Japan, Oki Electric Company, and tell them, please, sir, please send by the next flight. Now, you cannot send by the next flight. You know, there is an air cargo rule also, right, Gaurav? Air cargo the rule asto. You have to book the cargo. The cargo has to go through different scrutiny, different security measures. So they used to say, okay, fine, we'll send you tomorrow morning. Now, Japan ka tomorrow morning is my tomorrow's night, na yaar. Understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
कल सुबह का जापान का मॉर्निंग मतलब मेरा कल का रात हो गया ना बाबा. तो मतलब मेरा डाउन टाइम कितना हो गया? 24 + 24, 48 आवर्स मेरा डाउन टाइम हो गया ना सिस्टम का. Do you think in industry today 48 hours of downtime is allowed, Gaurav? You are working in the industry. 48 hours of downtime is allowed in the industry, Gaurav? Yes or no?
Never, sir.
Mang. Never म्हणला तो. He said never. He didn't say no, he said never. Which means it is a blunder, it is a crime. 24 hours if your machine is downtime, that is too much. Anand. The goods are only ordered on the last moment if and only if the urgency is very huge. It's a firefighting situation, something like that. अगर आपका server down हुआ, if the IBM server is down, do you think IBM will think of buying the goods by shipping corporation? No, they will arrange their own charter flight. You understand?
Yeah.
Charter flight बनाएगा खुद का. Yeah, they'll send Blue Dart or DHL planes. Or they will call up Federal Express, FedEx, and they'll say, I want you to book a plane for me. I'm ready to pay for it. बरोबर ना गौरव?
डिपेंड्स ऑन अर्जन्सी सर. आपल्याला मटेरियलची किती अर्जन्सी आहे आणि त्याचे व्हॅल्युएशन.
माय डिअर, आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट IBM. IBM सर्व्हर. आपला IBM सर्व्हर डाऊन झाला तर काय होईल? It happened once in my lifetime, so I'm telling you. My total session is on experience. I'm not going to refer to any books, you see. Anyway, so we come to the end of the types of godowns now. Distribution centers, warehouses, or cold storage. You have any questions, you please interact. I really love to answer your questions. We will continue with warehousing corporation in the next session also. Warehousing is a big topic. आपल्याला अजून we have to discuss types of warehouses. We have to see different types of warehouse locations inside. Oh my God, it's already 12 noon. I have a session with operations and supply chain management students from 12 to 1. Okay, we'll continue with this in the next session. Is that all right?
सर ये स्पेशलायझेशन का क्लास चालू आहे का?
हो. तुम्ही कोण?
मी आताच जॉईन झालो सर.
तुमचं नाव काय?
तेजस पवार.
हा,
तेजस
आता
पवार.
स्पेशलायझेशन क्लास आता संपत आहे. Be on the same link. Now we are going to start a session on operations and supply chain.
ओके सर. अगेन जॉईन सर.
Okay. Hello, is my voice audible? Sagar,
Yes, sir. Good
Yes,
afternoon,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Omkar, Shruti, Simran, Asmita, Tejas, Sneha,
Yes, sir.
Mangesh,
Yes, sir. Clear.
Gaurav, Yogesh, Anand Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Even if this is a virtual class, I am going to take names of everyone, if you don't mind. I really wish we start our classes in our premises soon. Are you all missing your
Yes, sir.
college?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Such wonderful photos are there on the internet of IMS Chinchwad. And whenever I will visit IMS Chinchwad, I will also have a chance to visit my Mamaji. My Mamaji's house, a huge bungalow, is there just opposite IMS Chinchwad in Devgar Housing
Yes.
Society.
Yes, sir.
So I am waiting for the chance to visit IMS Chinchwad personally, so that I will be able to spend some good time for lunch with my Mamaji. He is 75 years old. You see. So, anyway, friends, but because of the present pandemic situation and government regulations, which we have no other alternative than to accept the norms, and it is for our benefit basically. Uh, so we have to have online sessions. Even I am having online sessions with Narsi Monji University, Bombay, where I used to visit on every Saturday, Sunday till last year. Okay, friends, I'm keeping my camera on mute today because some bandwidth issues have arisen. Although I've got a Tata Sky broadband at home and office both, but let's keep the camera on mute. It takes a lot of bandwidth and data, and the speed reduces. Today's session, friends, is going to be on the topic that is put on your screen. Are you all able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
What does the screen show?
So participant is
Team screen. Participant.
No, no, no. Oh, is it? Sorry. I am sorry for that. Your screen doesn't show reliability engineering. Reliability.
no, sir.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Yes, sir. Operations management slide is there.
Are you all able to see the presentation called Operations Management Supplement 4 Reliability?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Chalo guys, let's start. What is reliability? What is the meaning of reliability?
So
Anyone
on
can
which
answer.
we can depend blindly.
Blindly. That's a good. That's a good answer. Who said the blindly?
Sagar, sir.
Sagar. 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 When we say blindly, tell me, in our real life, on whom do you depend blindly?
Sir, family members,
Mm-hmm. No,
uh,
specific.
brothers, sisters, parents.
Okay. Okay. Dependency blindly means what? Means what?
They are going to give us right solution at right time without any bias.
Okay. Okay. Sagar, good answer. Now, Sagar has already answered. So my question to all of you again. I hope my operations specialization students are also present. Gaurav, Shruti, Mangesh, and Anand Kumar. Okay, understood the dependency on human beings. can you depend the same on equipments?
Yes, sir. Some brands are there like Kirloskar that people reliable on them blindly because they are the best in industry.
And what if the brand doesn't perform?
So they can lose the goodwill in the market.
You said it rightly. And what is the cost of losing a goodwill?
So it may be in millions or billions of dollars.
The cost of losing a goodwill is very huge. Goodwill is earned in 100 years and lost in 1 second, right?
Yes.
So what is reliability? In your opinion, what is reliability? Dependency, trust, faith. I want all of you to answer. Why only Sagar is answering? बाकीचे सगळे काय करतायत? This is an interactive class, friends. We hardly meet twice in a week. Anyone? What is the meaning of reliability?
For example, Tata, sir, people believe them blindly. Even uneducated people believe them, their products
Right.
and services.
Right. So now that the concept of the reliability is understood, now we'll go to a formal presentation on reliability. So the objectives for today's session, I know the session started a little late because my specialization session went on for about 5-10 minutes more. I didn't even take a small 5-minute break. The learning objectives for this session, this is a supplementary session for quality. If you all remember very well, in our last session, we had discussions on TQM, Total Quality Management. So this is a supplement to the session on quality called reliability, and look upon this session of reliability as a coin with two sides. One side is quality, second is reliability. So now we'll be defining what is reliability. We'll be doing some simple reliability computations or calculations. These are basic calculations like probability. And we will explain the term availability and perform simple calculations. Is that all right with all of you?
Yes.
Now, since Sagar said reliability is nothing but a blindfold trust or a faith, this is the formal definition of reliability. I want all of you to go through this first learning objective. This is the first learning objective of your session today, 4S.1. What is reliability? Can anyone read the definition and explain? Shruti? Gaurav? Simple definition English. Simple English. What is reliability? Reliability is the ability of a product, part, or system to perform its intended function under a prescribed set of conditions. Reliability is expressed as probability. The probability that the product or system will function when activated. The probability that the product or system will function for a given length of time. Is this understood?
Yes.
Any doubts? Example? Example do?
Yes, sir.
You have started for your office in the morning at 9:30. You reach your car or bike, put the key in the ignition slot, and the bike or your car doesn't start. What is the first thing you will do?
We'll check the fuel.
Good answer. Check the fuel. Suppose the fuel is sufficient. There is 10 liters of fuel in the car and 5 liters of fuel in the bike. Next.
We will use choke or any supporting function.
Okay. Even after using the choke, the bike is not starting. The car is also not starting.
Then we will find a mechanic or garage.
Okay. You'll find a mechanic that is an expert. Okay, the mechanic comes home within say 10 minutes and he says, sir, there is a problem in the fuel injection system or carburetor. What is the first thing you will do?
We will use another mode of transport.
Okay, but if this problem comes again and again in the bike or car, what will you do?
So, we will lose trust on that brand or
Correct.
company.
You said it. That is reliability.
Yes.
समझ लगा? If the product is not reliable, you will lose the trust on the brand. You will lose the trust on the manufacturer. So what does reliability have common in management? This class is of operations and production management and supply chain, right? You think this class has no connection with marketing at all? If your product does not function, Sagar, you said you will lose trust. If you lose trust, who's going to suffer? Your company marketing will suffer. If your company marketing and sales will suffer, what is going to suffer? Your company turnover will suffer. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. I will tell this to 100 people, my friends, family members.
That is obvious. That is but obvious. So have you understood, all of you? Reliability is responsible for goodwill of the brand. What is the lesson you understood, friends, from this? Reliability is responsible for the goodwill and image of the brand.
Yes.
Reliability when activated. Finding the probability under the assumption that the system consists of a number of independent components. Requires the use of probabilities for independent events. Independent event. What is an independent event? Events whose occurrence or non-occurrence do not influence one another, which means there is no dependency, independent. So we just spoke about an event that the car or the bike did not start. Sagar, if the bike or the car did not start, in spite of having good amount of fuel and done servicing, is it a dependent event or independent event?
So independent.
Correct. Meaning the reliability of your car or bike was not dependent on fuel. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Your vehicle, your gadi, your car or bike is servicing done day before yesterday. The fuel is sufficient, more than sufficient. All your mechanisms and engineering things are fine working, but still the car did not start. Still the bike did not start. So this is not dependent on anyone. Let me tell you, reliability is something which is not dependent on anyone. It is independent. Are you all understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Reliability ही कशावरही अवलंबून नसते. I'll give you a very small example of reliability. We all have matchstick at home. काढे पेटी असते की नाही आपल्या घरामध्ये?
Yes, sir.
हा. काड्याची पेटी जर जळली नाही तर what do we say? The matchstick did not light because of humidity in the air because of rainy season, or otherwise there is another matchstick box which is brought by your mother or father, which is of the brand called Home Lights. In spite of the humid air or rainy season, the matchstick is lighting in first attempt. Who's more reliable?
Other brand.
So is the matchstick dependent on humidity? No. My question to all of you is should the matchstick and matchbox be dependent on reliability, be dependent on humidity in the air?
No.
No, correct.
No.
That's a good answer. No. Fire should not be dependent on the humidity in the air. If the matchstick has to light in the first chance, it has to light. Even if it is raining outside, am I right?
Yes, sir.
That is reliability. Understood? Has everyone understood the definition of reliability? It is an independent event. It is not dependent on anything. Reliability should not depend on anything. Correct. Very good. Very good. I appreciate your thought. It should be consistent and persistent. Read this.
Rule 1. If two or more events are independent and success is defined as the probability that all of the events occur, then the probability of success is equal to the product of the probabilities of the events.
Correct. So in case of a matchstick, काड्याची पेटी काडी लावणे, आग लावणे. In case of a matchstick, what is the probability? किती probabilities आहेत गौरव त्याच्यामध्ये? 1 matchbox, second matchstick, right?
Yes.
I want everyone to say yes or no. मला सगळ्यांचं consent पाहिजे. I will not go ahead. In case of lighting a matchstick, आपल्या घरामध्ये होम लाईट्सची एक मॅच बॉक्स आहे, शिपची एक मॅच बॉक्स आहे, and we have a local matchbox, not manufactured in Sivkashi or any Tamil Nadu state. The home lights is giving immediate ignition. What is the probability that the matchstick will light? Gaurav, don't answer. I want others to answer. How can you calculate the probability that a matchstick will light after friction on the matchbox? कशी calculate करणार तुम्ही probability?
So by comparing with local.
Mathematically बात करो यार.
So 50%, 100%.
Okay. Suppose my matchstick is okay, but my matchbox is not okay.
Yes, sir.
My probability of my matchstick is 0.95. My matchstick is performing 95%, but the probability of my matchbox is 90%. What is the probability that the matchstick will glow? You learned probability in statistics, no?
Yes,
I repeat, I repeat all my friends here. My matchstick probability is 95% and my matchbox probability is 90%. What is the probability that my matchstick will glow or ignite?
Sure, less than 1.
मेरे को मैथ्स प्रोडक्ट बताओ. Probability of two systems in series is equal to R1 into R2 or P1 into P2. So 0.95 into 0.9. 0.95 into 0.9 कितनी गौरव? 9 5s are 45, 9 9s are 81 plus 4. 85.5? What is the probability that the matchstick will glow if the matchstick has a probability of 0.95 or 95% and the matchbox has a probability of 90%? So 0.9 into 0.95 किती होतात सागर? 85.5?
Yes, sir.
So what is the probability that the matchstick will glow with the matchstick having a probability of 95% and the matchbox having a probability of 90%? 85.5 म्हणजे 85.5%. So there is a chance that the matchstick will glow 85.5%. So there is always a chance that the matchstick will not glow. What is that chance? 100 minus 85.5 is 14.5. Am I right?
Yes.
So 14.5%, there is a chance that the matchstick will not glow. 85.5%, there is a chance that the matchsticks will glow. So is this a dependent event or independent event?
Dependent.
Correct. So can we say that reliability is a dependent event or independent event?
Sure, dependent.
Reliability is a dependent event. Although I said reliability is an independent event, that was just an example I gave you, friends. Reliability is a dependent event. Understand that. Any questions, any doubts? I don't want to be too much technical, but I want you to all understand what is reliability, and it is nothing but a brother or sister of quality. In our last session, we had very long and beautiful sessions on quality. Now we are going to have sessions on reliability. Can we go ahead? Please see this example on your screen. A machine has two buttons. In order for the machine to function, both buttons must work. One button has a probability of working of 0.95 and the second button has a probability of working of 0.88. What is the probability of the machine working? Sagar, Gaurav, Shruti, and all guys from operations as well as non-operations, please understand, reliability is an event which depends on the past events. So the probability of the machine working is equal to probability of the button 1 working into probability of button 2 working. So what is the probability of the button 1 working? 0.95. What is the probability of the button 2 working? 0.88. So what is the total probability? 0.95 into 0.88, 0.836, that is 83.6%.
Yes.
So what happens when we connect our equipments in series? When we connect our equipments in series, our reliability will reduce.
Yes, sir.
मग काय करायला पाहिजे गौरव? पॅरल लावायला पाहिजे ना बटन?
Yes, sir.
का नाही?
Backup button. Parallel.
मग खर्च कॉस्ट तुमचं मॅनेजमेंट कॉस्ट वाढती. काय करायचं मग?
त्यापेक्षा cost महत्वाचे.
You have to convince your management that Even if the cost increases by 10% or 20%, reliability will increase. That is what is called in operations management redundancy. Today, all of you will learn the meaning of the word in the dictionary of operations management called redundancy. Is everyone with me here? Because I am on the presentation, I am not able to see your attendance. Is everyone in the
Yes,
OSCM session with me here?
yes, sir.
Reliability
Yes.
reduces by putting systems in series. The first system is button 1, having a probability or reliability of 0.95. The second element in the system is button 2, having a reliability or probability of 0.88. What is the reliability of the system? Reliability of a system is equal to, if two systems are connected in series, 0.95 into 0.88. So the reliability of the machine is 0.836 or 83.6%. This is what is reliability. Now let us go ahead. Though individual system components may have high reliabilities, the system's reliability may be considerably lower because all components that are in series must function. One way to enhance reliability is to utilize redundancy. I think I used the word redundancy just now. Redundancy means the use of backup components to increase reliability. Rule 2. If two events are independent and success is defined as the probability that at least one of the events will occur, the probability of success is equal to the probability of either 1 plus 1.00 minus that probability multiplied by the other probability. Let us make this in mathematical terms. My dear friends, please go through this example. A restaurant located in area that has frequent power outages or power cuts has a generator to run its refrigeration equipment in case of a power failure. The local power company has a reliability of 0.97 and the generator has a reliability of 0.90. The probability that the restaurant will have power is, probability of power is equal to probability of power company plus 1 minus probability of power company into probability of generator is equal to 0.97 plus into bracket 1 minus 0.97 into 0.90 is equal to 0.997. What is the meaning of 0.997? 99.77%. So
Yes,
can
sir.
you see the picture here on the PowerPoint presentation? If you see the picture here, it shows that the generator has the reliability of 0.90, that is 90%. But we have put a backup in parallel to the power company called diesel generator, which has a probability of 0.90. The generator is not put in series of the company, it is put in parallel. So what is the probability? 0.97 plus into bracket 1 minus 0.97 into 0.90. That is 0.997, that is 99.7%. So we have increased our reliability from our power company reliability of 0.97 or 97% to 99.7%, which means we have increased our reliability by 2.7%.
Yes.
So for increasing the reliability, what we have to do, friends? We have to put systems in parallel, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
If two or more events are involved and success is defined as the probability that at least one of them occurs, the probability of success is 1 minus p into bracket all fail. Please have a look at this example rule 3. I know it is a little complex, but unfortunately I can't explain you on the board because we are away from each other. A student takes 3 calculators. This is very well related to your life. A student takes 3 calculators with reliabilities of 0.85, 0.80 and 0.75. What does it mean? The first calculator has a reliability of 85%. The second calculator has a reliability of 80%. And the third calculator has a reliability of 75%. To her exam, only one of them needs to function for her to be able to finish the exam. Obviously, if you are doing some engineering calculations, you need only one calculator to perform. Why do you need all the 3 calculators to perform? What is the probability that she will have a functioning calculator to use when taking her exam? Who will answer this question? Answer is probability of any calculator functioning is equal to Sagar. Probability of any calculator functioning is equal to, when reliability is in parallel equipments, what is the reliability? 1 minus R. So
Yes, sir.
probability of any calculator is equal to functioning is equal to 1 minus into bracket 1 minus probability of calculator 1 into 1 minus probability of calculator 2 into 1 minus probability of calculator 3. बरोबर की नाही?
Yes, sir.
कॅल्क्युलेटर 1 ची प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय आहे? 0.85.
0.85.
कॅल्क्युलेटर 2 ची प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय आहे? 0.80. कॅल्क्युलेटर 3 ची प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय आहे? 0.75. मग टोटल सिस्टमची प्रोबॅबिलिटी किती येणार? 1 मायनस इंटू ब्रॅकेट 1 minus 0.85 into 1 minus 0.80 into 1 minus 0.75 is equal to. Please calculate on your calculators. I will give you 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Scientific calculator karun mala sanga. Do not accept the result because the presentation is saying. Even I am doing the calculations on my engineering calculator. One minus. What is the mathematics rule? BODMAS. What is BODMAS rule? What is BODMAS rule? Bracket, open, divide, multiply, add, subtract, right?
Yes, sir.
Use the BODMAS rule. First open the brackets. You will have to use the engineering calculator because on normal calculators there is no bracket symbol. श्रुती, रिझल्ट आला का?
$9,925.
मंगेश, गौरव.
सर नॉर्मल कॅल्क्युलेटर वर पण आलं सर 0.992.
माझ्याकडे ना नॉर्मल कॅल्क्युलेटरवर ब्रॅकेटचा सिम्बॉलच नाहीये. So I'm using my scientific calculator. FX991NS. Give me 1 minute. No, in the examination you will be allowed scientific calculators. Barka.
Yes, sir.
.9925. Is the result tallying with everyone?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So what is the probability of this system? 99.25%, right?
Yes, sir.
So friends, tell me, calculator 1 had a reliability of 75%. I'm sorry, 85%. Calculator 1 had a reliability of 85%. Calculator 2 had a reliability of 80%. Calculator 3 had a reliability of 75%. But all these three calculators, if the student is carrying to the examination, the probability or the reliability that he will have good calculations in the right time is 99.25%. Why? ऐसा क्यों? You have said absolutely right. I really appreciate this answer. Give him big hand. Everyone, please give him big hand. When you take parallel equipments with you, you are increasing your reliability. Am I right?
Yes.
I'll give you a small example. All of you, I'll give you a small example. I was working with a business school called Universal Business School at Karjat. All of you know Karjat? Karjat माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना?
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
Mumbai Karjat, not Nagar Karjat, Mumbai Karjat. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I was working there as a senior professor and registrar. I used to teach operations management and regular business, okay. Staff quarters होत्या. I used to stay in the quarters. In that 80-acre campus of business school, you know what, Gaurav, we used to have redundancy, copy 1 and copy 2. म्हणजे काय माहिती आहे का? If the power failure is always there in the rural areas, right? Suppose कर्जत मध्ये power गेला, power failure झालं. So obviously diesel genset will take over, right?
Yes,
if
sir.
the diesel genset also fails, then there was a second diesel genset which will take over. Sagar and Gaurav, this is an example of the same thing.
Yes, sir.
No, jokes apart, this is a real example of life. 85% probability power ची आहे बरं का सागर.
Yes, sir.
80% probability generator 1 ची आहे बरं का गौरव. आणि 75% probability दुसऱ्या जनरेटरची आहे बरं का. आणि सगळ्या सिस्टम पॅरलल मध्ये कनेक्टेड आहेत, राईट?
Yes, sir.
तर माझी जर कर्जतला पॉवर गेली तर प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय की मी पॉवर परत आणू शकतो?
99.25%.
करेक्ट. का बरं एवढी प्रोबॅबिलिटी हाय माझी? बिकॉज माझ्याकडे एक सोडून 2 जेनसेट्स आहेत.
So
Now Gaurav is going to ask me, boss, investment का क्या? पैसा कहाँ से लाया? My dear friends, in the industry, if you have to think about quality and reliability, you cannot focus just on the money components. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. It is subordinate.
Yes. Otherwise, you can better compromise on cost and quality. That is what we call COPQ. Do you remember my last lecture, friends? In TQM, COPQ, cost of poor quality.
Yes, sir. Compromise.
So we'll stop here. We will not go to the bathtub curve because this is going into reliability engineering. I will not do any calculations today on the reliability engineering. I will keep the session open for question answers, or we can close. I am not avoiding anything, friends, don't misunderstand. But I want to have a entire brand new session on calculations of reliability, because they are all going to be on probabilistic calculations and statistics. So I'm keeping the last 10 minutes for question answers. Open to all.
सर आता आमचा पेपर आता यावेळेस MCQ आहे, मग त्याच्यामध्ये प्रॉब्लेम्स पण येतील का?
पुणे युनिव्हर्सिटीचं आहे ना सगळं.
हा, कारण आता यावर्षी सगळे MCQ पॅटर्न एक्झाम होत आहेत.
प्रॉब्लेम्स येणार ना. द न्यूमेरिकल्स विल कम, especially on production planning and control.
Okay.
MRP, ERP. I don't know, reliability वरती फारसा विचारणार नाहीत, कारण जे the panel which sets up the paper are most of them are from operations management people. I'm not on the panel.
Yes.
I was on the MBA operations management question paper setting panel, but some time back. आता नाही आहे मी. But I'll tell you something. Be prepared for probability. Be prepared for statistical questions in operations. Reliability वरती नाही विचारणार ते बरं का. They won't ask on the reliability. तो खूप स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक आहे.
कारण सर हा कॉमन सब्जेक्ट आहे, त्यामुळे आम्हाला डिटेल जास्त जाणार नाही त्यामध्ये.
आय अग्री विथ यू. हा जो 204 कोर्स आहे ना, कॉमन असल्यामुळे दे वोंट गो इन टू डीप. स्पेशलायझेशनला दे माइट गो, म्हणजे ऑपरेशन्स मॅनेजमेंट स्पेशलायझेशन मध्ये एखादा सब्जेक्ट असेल ना, क्वालिटी किंवा TQM, रिलायबिलिटी, तर मग दे विल गो डीप इन टू न्यूमेरिकल्स. 60%. Operations and statistics is 60% numericals only, 40% theory.
Yes.
Maths आणि स्टॅट्स खूप स्ट्रॉंग लागतो ऑपरेशन्सला.
हा सर, कारण मॅक्सिमम सर इंजिनिअरिंग बॅकग्राऊंडचेच पोरं येतात ना सर तिकडे.
नॉट नेसेसरी. मी काही अशी मुलं पाहिली होती अनेक इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स मध्ये की दे आर नॉट फ्रॉम इंजिनिअरिंग बॅकग्राऊंड. वन ऑफ माय स्टुडंट्स, शी इज देअर ऑन माय Facebook profile and LinkedIn also. Saili Kokid, she is a commerce graduate, पण ती operation specialization घेऊन she has done very well. She was my student and she is like my daughter only. I feel मध्ये कारल्याला last year, आणि she has done very well in operations management. तिला काहीही इंजिनिअरिंग बॅकग्राऊंड नाही आहे, पण ती आता एका चांगल्या रिलायन्सच्या ग्रुपच्या कंपनीजमध्ये ऑपरेशन्स मॅनेजर आहे. And she is very well good in statistics and maths and reliability. असं काही नाही आहे की ऑपरेशन्सला फक्त मॅथ्सच बॅकग्राऊंड किंवा इंजिनिअरिंग बॅकग्राऊंड लागतं. आय थिंक दॅट इज अ मिथ. म्हणजे थोडंसं ना ते मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग आहे. कम आउट ऑफ दॅट मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग. यू कॅन व्हेरी वेल गो फॉर ऑपरेशन्स इवन इफ यू आर अ कॉमर्स, आर्ट्स और सायन्स ग्रॅज्युएट. यू कॅन गो फॉर 6 सिग्मा, यू कॅन गो फॉर ऑप्टिमायझेशन, रिलायबिलिटी. असं काही नाही. इफ यू आर good in maths and stats, you can do well.
Yes sir. सर, आणि सर तुम्ही हे बाकीच्या युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये शिकवले तर सर, आणि पुणे युनिव्हर्सिटी तर ह्यांचा सिलेबस मध्ये काय फरक असतो बॉम्बेच्या NMIMS किंवा बॉम्बे युनिव्हर्सिटी, तर सिलेबस मध्ये काय डिफरन्स असतो सर?
Out of the record, Pune University syllabus is more theoretical.
Yes sir.
Other university syllabus is more practical.
म्हणजे सर आता रिवाइज झालाय ना सर, 19चा साधारण बऱ्यापैकी
झालाय ना, चांगला आहे, सिलेबस चांगला आहे, बट स्टिल देर इज नो प्रॅक्टिकल ऍप्लिकेशन्स.
ओके, कम्पेअर टू प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटी.
हा, हे बोलणं ऍक्च्युअली इथे योग्य नाहीये.
नाही सर, आता तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिकल ऍक्च्युअली शिकवलं तिथे, त्यामुळे
I teach the industry na. I am an industrial consultant and trainer. At this point of time, there are 3 multinational corporations with whom I am engaged for corporate training in FMEA, failure modes and effect analysis, statistical process control, Six Sigma. Industry मध्ये ना तुम्हाला practically on the floor, on the shop floor applications सांगायला लागतात. Gear manufacturing आहे, पॉवर ट्रान्समिशन इक्विपमेंट मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग आहे. तिथे तुम्हाला थिअरी नाही सांगून चालत. तिथे यू हॅव टू अप्लाय ऑल दी फंडामेंटल्स अँड सॉल्व देअर न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लेम्स. म्हणजे DPPM, डिफेक्टिव्ह पार्ट्स पर मिलियन. Today all the industries are working on 3 Sigma and 6 Sigma. I'm an old man now, Sagar. I've been doing it last 16 years, 15 years. I'm 51 now. I'm an old man, but
Industry 3 आणि Industry 4 दोन्ही बघितलंय म्हणजे.
I've seen life here. I've seen complete life.
Before IT आणि आफ्टर IT काही चेंजेस झाले सर, ते बघितले ना तुम्ही सर? IT नव्हतं तेव्हा
इंडस्ट्री 4.0. इंडस्ट्री 4.0 नावाचा जो see the industry wants people who want to implement from day one. सागर.
हा सर, आजच्या काळात जॉब रेडी कॅन्डिडेट पाहिजे.
आणि मी म्हणजे सी वेन आय गो टू द इंडस्ट्री, से आय एम स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश बिकॉज एव्हरीवन शुड अंडरस्टँड, किंवा हिंदी. आपण काय होतं नुसतं मराठीत बोललो तर देन इट बिकम्स अ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू इट. सो इफ यू गो टू द इंडस्ट्री, अगर आप इंडस्ट्री में जाते हो तो इंडस्ट्री को ना ऐसा आदमी चाहिए जो डे वन से काम करे. अभी डे वन से काम तो कोई नहीं कर सकता है यार. इसे उसको पहला ट्रेन करना पड़ता है, ग्रूम करना पड़ता है. तो वो काम हमारा है ना. इट्स आवर जॉब.
Yes sir.
I've seen the industry, industry needs results from tomorrow. You join Involute Gear tomorrow morning and they'll say मेरे को रिजल्ट चाहिए. ऐसा कैसे होगा रे? ऐसा कैसे होगा?
Yes sir. सॉफ्टवेयर वालों को भी 6 महीने ट्रेनिंग देना पड़ता है.
फिर मैं खुद गया ना उससे. कभी तो मैं भी आपके एज का था ना बाबा, कि नहीं था? हाँ.
Yes sir.
Some time back I was also 21 years old, na?
Yes sir.
Then today I'm 51, but I have encountered those problems. I have seen very closely, and especially bureaucratic companies. I don't want to name them, you understand that, but yes, bureaucratic companies, especially very high turnover. They need people to work from day one.
In today's scenario.
Yeah, not in today's scenario. 30 years back also the same thing. But one thing is for sure, 25, 30 years back, we used to have a very good mentor and backup, local. See, globalization was not playing a major role 25, 30 years back, na, Sagar?
Yes, sir. Yes, after 95.
It was all localized. Sagar, सगळं localized होतं रे.
बरोबर.
म्हणजे टाटा मोटर्स, पिंपरी चिंचवड भोसरी, ग्रीव्स इंजिनिअरिंग, ग्रीव्स डिझेल इंजिन्स चिंचवड, किंवा अल्फा लावल, किंवा अटलास कॉपको वगैरे, सँडविक, एस्केफ. बट टुडे when you are working on some system, you are actually representing global, no?
Yes sir. They are exporting products now.
EOU, everyone is EOU now, export oriented. Indus Shuttle is manufacturing export oriented. They are catering to 27 different companies. Can you imagine one company having 27 plants inside their own company? Cummins, Cummins आणि तुमचं ते Caterpillar, JCB, Johnson, L&T, Tata Motors, Reliance, which is that well-known company from Chennai, TVS, then BPL. म्हणजे they are having 20 to 25 different OEM, original equipment manufacturing companies, plants situated inside their own premises. Now you tell me, Gaurav or Sagar, if you go there, start working, they're obviously going to expect from you from day one productivity. असं कसं शक्य रे?
Yes sir.
See, only a faculty can understand यार के my fresh MBAs or my fresh. I am also teaching for MTech in BITS Pilani. Now, will you believe that people doing MTech in BITS Pilani from working class candidates also need grooming in academics. Their fundamentals are not strong.
प्रॅक्टिकल एक्सपिरियन्स त्यांना काही नाहीये सर कारण
नाही, प्रॅक्टिकल एक्सपिरियन्स आहे, थेरोटिकल काही नाहीये. और व्हाइस वर्सा, थेरोटिकल आहे पण प्रॅक्टिकल काही नाही.
हा दोन पैकी
हा, they understand what is statistical quality control, but they are not able to implement it on the shop floor, or they are implementing statistical quality control on the shop floor, but they are not able to understand what is Six Sigma 3.4 DPPM.
यस सर.
अभी तुम्हारा मुंबई डब्बा वाला एसोसिएशन सिक्स सिग्मा लेता है यार, तो तुम लोग क्यों नहीं ले सकते?
सर किसी कंपनी को नहीं मिला अभी तक.
गौरव, मेरे को बोलो, am I right or wrong? गौरव, मला सांग, 3.4 DPPM मुंबई डब्बावाला असोसिएशन गौरव has achieved 2 DPPM, बरं का, 2 DPPM. How much? 2 defective parts per million. Why can't we achieve? Why can't we achieve? Tell me. Huh? All of us are.
सर त्यांच्यावर कोणीच अचीव नाही केलेलं ना सर अजून त्या कुठल्याही कंपनीनं?
कोणीच नाही
अजून पण
नाही. Not even Toyota. Not even Toyota. Gaurav, tell me, we all are BTech mechanical, MTech mechanical, MS, Six Sigma black belt. Still, we are not able to achieve 3.4 or 3 DPPM in manufacturing. And Mumbai Dabbawala Association has achieved it in service industry. How? कैसे? This is what worries me. बोलो. ऐकू नाही येत गौरव, मला ऐकू नाही येत. आय एम सॉरी.
Sir, negligency is one of the major factor in it.
What is the major factors?
Negligency, or not everyone not going with their actual role, not playing their actual roles.
सर हे डीपीपीएम एकदा सांगा ना, कारण आम्ही मेजॉरिटी कॉमर्स बॅकग्राऊंडचे, बीकॉम कडनं आलेले.
Actually sir,
टेक्निकल टर्म्स माहित नाही.
I was in
DPPM stands for defective parts per million.
Okay.
I will have a session on Six Sigma with all of you. I hope all of you enjoy.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Gaurav, tell me, you are saying something.
Yes sir. Actually sir, negligence is one of the major factor. Actually I seen so this instance. So when I was in India, when our part went to that customer end, then were ladies here in part. It's the light. It is the negligence. The negligence, this defective part going at customer end.
I would like to know the defect.
Yes sir. एका असेंब्ली लाईन्स वर जेव्हा मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग होतात, पार्ट असेंबल होतात, तेव्हा त्यामध्ये मोस्टली जर लेडीज असतात, गर्ल्स, तिचा एक केस त्याच्यामध्ये पार्ट मध्ये असेंबल होत गेलेला, पार्टच्या आतमध्ये. त्यावेळेस तो टाटा मोटर्स गेला. टाटा मोटर्स मध्ये आयडेंटिफाय झाला की त्याच्यामध्ये पार्ट मध्ये आतमध्ये एक केस आहे म्हणून.
केस?
हो, केस.
हेअर?
हो, हेअर्स.
बर.
त्यानंतर कंपनीने ऍक्शन घेतली की ऑन गेट्स, ऑन सिक्युरिटी गेट, व्हेन एंटर द गर्ल्स इन कंपनी प्रिमाइसेस, दे शुड बी हेअर टायटन्स and then given the ribbons too for hair tighten.
What was the part?
Lights sir, 4-wheeler lights.
राईट्स. मग तो हेअर जो आहे तो विजन ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करत होता का?
विजन ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट नव्हता करत सर, आणि काही प्रॉब्लेम नव्हता. लाईट मोठ्या असतात त्याला काही एवढं मायनर, पण डिफेक्ट इज डिफेक्ट ना सर. कस्टमर एंडला गेल्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये काही जरी आलं तरी ऍबनॉर्मलच आहे ना सर. ऍज पर स्टँडर्ड स्पेसिफाईड नाहीये ते.
व्हॉट इज द थिकनेस ऑफ अ हेअर?
इट इज अ व्हेरी मायनर सर. इज अ मायक्रो.
किती?
एक्झॅक्ट माहिती नाही
30
सर.
microns.
हा?
30 microns, sir. 30 microns.
No. A hair is of 100 microns. A hair is of 100 microns.
Yes, sir.
It can obstruct the vision.
Yes.
But then I am a little surprised, but the hairs can be fallen from anyone's hair. Why are we discriminating between female and male? That is my first question.
Size. Maybe the male's hair is very short. That will be not visible to anyone easily.
अभी मेरे भाई, मेल तो मेरे जैसा 50 ईयर का आदमी जाएगा टाटा मोटर्स में, टकला ही जाएगा ना, वो हेयर कहाँ से लाएगा? लेकिन yeah, I agree with you, size. But then I'll tell you something. This is not an intentional activity which is neglected. This is natural. तो है नहीं, मतलब उन लोग ने क्या कहा कि why did this occur? How did this occur?
Yes.
I think we should accept it and take some precaution measures.
प्रिकॉशन्स म्हणूनच जेव्हा सिक्युरिटी गेटवर गर्ल्सची एंट्री होते तेवढंच त्यांना हेअर टाईट करायला सांगितले, आणि त्यांना ते कव्हर करण्यासाठी काहीतरी दिलेलं त्यांनी. आता एक्झॅक्ट मला नाव आठवत नाही.
त्याचं हेअर बँड.
सर हे मॅगी कंपनीमध्ये पण इश्यू झाला होता हा सर, हे केस सापडले.
हो, झाला होता मॅगी मध्ये झाला होता. अरे इवन सागर, दिस इश्यू ऑल्सो हॅपन्ड इन द पार्ले बिस्किट फॅक्टरी at Kopoli.
Okay.
Yeah. I think we have a lot to discuss. Let's break for lunch now. We'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye, all of you.